Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the source file names are larger than supported by the file system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing, you will not be able to rename the file or transfer the file or delete the file. Now, as for deleting the file, if the source name is way larger than it, then the only option you have is to delete it permanently. I would have suggested downloading a third party tool to what do we say, zip it, unzip it, or delete it. But even the third party tool would cause permanent deletion. So it is better to delete it permanently if deleting it is your point. But here's the thing, if you wish to transfer it to another folder or some other location, then I would suggest a third party software named TerraCopy. I mean, there are many, but I use TerraCopy, so that's why I will recommend it. There are many other software tools. So go to its page and then, I mean, just search for it on the internet, go to its page and then download the latest version of TerraCopy. Okay, and install it on your system. Okay, and once it is installed on your system, okay, I click on install. Once it is installed on your system, you can use it for copying files on the system, and I'll show you what happens when you try to copy files. Let us say I was to copy, you don't need to keep it open, let's say this and this, I had to copy it into the dump folder. So whenever I try to do it, we'll get three options. The first one is to do it using Explorer, second one TerraCopy, and the third one replace older files. Just use the second one, TerraCopy, and it will copy the folder. It has a much higher threshold. Now if this tool fails, then there's nothing you can do about it for copying at least. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.